Roof is a little wet. Now locate condenser 132. Same wires as downstairs. We have our reversing valve and our condenser. The yellow is our condenser, orange is a reversing valve. That's the one that we're missing, the 24 volts. We disconnect the reversing valve, it's going to go back into heating like it was downstairs. Just heard the reversing valve switch over, which is back in heating like the way it was. So system working good, just controller needs to get reprogrammed. Everything is working good. Now we have 24 volts on the reversing valve. Get a good ground. And we have 24 volts on the reversing valve. And we are getting a call for 24 volts on our condenser, which we do have our low voltage call. If we open up the reversing valve, we're gonna get 0, indicating that we have the 27, the low voltage. So I have it bypassed downstairs because the controller's not sending the signal what the customer is asking for. Customer is asking for cooling, it's stuck in heating. So the programming on the controller is out of line. So just need to get that controller reprogrammed. Reversing valve is switching over like the way it's supposed to do its job for cooling. Okay, I'm gonna be informing the customer that the system's gonna be working. I just need to reprogram the system. The controller needs to go 777, so the guys at the BOC, at the energy management system, could go ahead and reprogram that controller. Once we reprogram that controller, system will be good to go. Gonna be heading back to the customer and letting them know the status of his unit. Okay, supply air is at 70 degrees and dropping. $69 degrees now and dropping. So the original call was for room 132. POC is in the room. Supply room temperature is now at 78 degrees. Supply air is at 66 degrees. Plus 12. We need to calibrate this system, leaving it at 12 at 0.0. Government set point for these rooms are 74 degrees due to government set points. We're leaving it at 0.0 to calibrate it. So room temperature is 79 degrees. Soldiers did find a way to bypass the system when they calibrated plus 18. It traced the system saying that the room temperature is too hot. Right now it was reading at 91 degrees, so that controller does need to get reprogrammed. Okay, sir. Your system's working. Space temperature is 79 degrees, which is 1 degree off, just about. Supply air is at 66 degrees. The system wasn't heating due to the controller. I need to take that controller back to 777 so they could reprogram it, and your system will be up and going as soon as I come back with that controller and get reprogrammed. Yeah, and we don't have to have access to the room no more. Everything is out in the hallway. So if you have to go to work, we'll be able to do everything from the hallway. So we'll be back probably within the hour. And just to let you know that this is a temporary service order. If I could get your signature right here, and you can leave any comments right there. Okay.
Thank you.
And do you know how to operate this sensor?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, sir. Thank you very much.
You too. Have a good day.
Thank you.